Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who spends hours checking emails on Outlook, you know how plain that default theme can look. Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Outlook theme color step by step so you can give your inbox a fresh personalized look. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Microsoft's official website. From there, click on the Outlook section. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, hit that sign in button at the top right corner. Now, just enter your Microsoft account details, your email and password, and you'll be taken straight into your Outlook mailbox. Alright, now that you're inside Outlook, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it and a sidebar will open up on the right. From here, scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. Once the settings window opens, click on General in the left-hand menu and then select Appearance. This is where the magic happens. You'll find all the customization options for Outlook's look and feel. Under the Appearance section, locate the Color or Theme Color option. Here, you'll see a variety of color palettes. Go ahead and click through them. Outlook will instantly preview how your new color will look across the interface. Whether you want a calm blue, a sharp black, or something bright and bold, pick the one that suits your vibe. When you're happy with your choice, don't forget to click Save at the bottom. If you skip that, your changes won't stick. Once saved, head back to your main Outlook inbox, and voila! Your new theme color is live. It'll apply across your mailbox, menus, and navigation bar, giving your Outlook a fresh, modern look. And that's it. Quick, simple, and totally customizable. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Outlook style.